Hi, good day everyone. It's me Katika wanting to share with you how do I understand and memorize Oxford's Typology of Language Learning Strategies. This video is created as to fulfill the task requirement for the course GGGE 6533 Language Learning Strategies instruction under the supervision of Professor Dr. Muhammad Amin MB. Well, to understand and memorize an academic text is not as easy as ABC to everyone, especially when we are reading text in the second language. So, here are my tips and techniques to understand and memorize Oxford's Typology of Language Learning Strategies. There are 7 tips to understand and memorize Oxford's Typology of Language Learning Strategies. So the first one is to set a conducive environment. The second one is to scan, read, and reread. The third one is to highlight key points. The fourth one is to create mind map. The fifth one is to read, say aloud, and repeat. And number 6 is to move around. And lastly is to snap and save. So let's start. So first of all, since I am more of a visual learner, I will make sure that I sit in a peaceful environment before starting to read. This is because I get distracted easily, so I must avoid anything visually catchy to stay focused to my reading. That means no television, no handphone, and no other browser is open other than that, the PDF file when I read digitally. Next, I will scan the entire paper so I know what I am going to read. Then I read it once and read it once again so I know and understand the text. Understanding is very crucial to ease the process of memorization. There is no way to memorize effectively without understanding it. Then after that, I will read again, and this time I will start to highlight the key points and list them on a piece of paper like this. I highlight all the key points and I will transfer it on a piece of paper like this. Alright. And then at this point, I start to memorize bit by bit. What comes after that is to organize the key points being highlighted and extracted from the text in the form of a mind map. For I remember better when I write, most of the time I opt for the traditional way, which is to illustrate the mind map on a piece of A4 paper like this. I use colored pens, colorful pens to make it more interesting, and in a way it does enhance my memorization. So from the lengthy text, I have highlighted the key points, and now I have already extracted the key points and I presented it in the form of mind map like this, and it is very colorful and interesting, and it enhanced my memorization and of course my understanding. So by looking at the map itself, I now can see very clearly that Oxford's Typology of Language Learning Strategies is divided into 2 categories, which are indirect strategies and also the direct strategies. The direct strategies, there are 3 of them. The first one is the memory strategies, where I create mental linkage, applying image and sounds, reviewing well, employing action. And the second type is cognitive strategies, which are practicing, receiving and sending messages, analyzing and reasoning, creating structure for input and output. And the third one is compensation strategies, like guessing intelligently and overcoming limitations in speaking and writing. Whereas for indirect strategies, the first one is metacognitive strategies, which are centering your learning, arranging and planning your learning, and evaluating your learning. And the second one is effective strategies, which is to lower your anxiety, encouraging yourself, and taking your emotional temperature. And the last one is social strategies, in which asking questions, cooperating with others, and empathizing with others. So through this mind map, the colorful mind map that I have created, I can memorize easily. Now let's move on to the next one, which is I will read, say aloud, and repeat. So I will read the mind map and try to recall the elaborations and examples of the points in the text. If I face difficulty, I will always refer to the text again. When I start to memorize, I will read the first object aloud. Then I will say it without the paper, and this process is repeated until I can say all the points without referring to the paper. And one interesting technique that I find as effective to me is to move around while recalling the points that have been memorized. Lastly, I will snap the picture of the mind map like this and save it in my phone so I can always read and reread before I go to sleep every night. I noticed that I can remember well the last thing I view before falling asleep. So those are what I do to understand and memorize Oxford Typology of Language Learning Strategies. To be frank, these are the things that I have been doing for all this while to understand and memorize any text. So that's it. I hope this can be helpful to you as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you.